The sight of smoke billowing from your car is undeniably alarming. It's a visual signal that something is amiss under the hood and immediate attention is required. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the potential reasons behind a smoking car, providing insights on what actions to take and how to address the issue. Identifying the type of smoke. Before delving into the possible causes, it's crucial to identify the color of the smoke. Different colors can indicate various issues, helping you pinpoint the root cause. Common causes of smoking cars. White smoke. Coolant leak. White smoke could indicate a coolant leak, possibly due to a cracked cylinder head or a blown head gasket. Condensation. In cold weather, white vapor might be normal due to condensation in the exhaust system. Immediate action. If the smoke persists and is not related to weather conditions, pull over and turn off the engine. Consult with a mechanic to inspect for coolant leaks and address any necessary repairs. Blue smoke. Oil consumption. Blue smoke may signal burning oil, potentially caused by worn piston rings, valve seals, or a faulty PCV valve. Engine overheating. Overheating can lead to oil burning, producing blue smoke. Immediate action. Reduce driving and avoid aggressive acceleration. Schedule an inspection to identify and address the root cause of oil consumption. C. Black smoke. Rich fuel. Mixture. Black smoke often results from a fuel-rich combustion mixture, indicating a problem with the fuel injection system. Faulty sensors. Malfunctioning sensors, such as the oxygen sensor or mass airflow sensor, can contribute to black smoke. Avoid aggressive driving to minimize fuel consumption. Seek professional assistance to diagnose and rectify issues with the fuel system or sensors. Immediate steps to take. When you notice smoke, safely pull over to the side of the road and turn off the engine. Avoid continuing to drive as it may exacerbate the issue. Once safely parked, assess the color, quantity, and smell of the smoke. C. Call for assistance. If you're unable to identify the cause or if the smoke continues, call for roadside assistance or a tow to a nearby repair facility. 4. FAQs. Frequently asked questions about smoking cars. Q. Can I drive my car if it's smoking? A. It's not advisable to drive a smoking car. Continuing to drive may worsen the issue and lead to more extensive damage. Pull over safely and assess the situation. Q. Why is my car smoking after an oil change? A. Smoking after an oil change could be due to spilled oil on hot engine components. If the smoke persists, it may indicate an issue with the oil system that requires inspection. Q. Is white smoke always a sign of engine trouble? A. While white smoke can indicate engine trouble, it's essential to consider external factors such as cold weather or condensation. If white smoke persists, consult with a mechanic to rule out serious issues. Q. Can overheating cause a smoking engine? A. Yes. Overheating can lead to various issues, including burning oil and coolant leaks, resulting in smoke. Addressing the root cause of overheating is crucial to prevent further damage. Q. How much does it cost to fix a smoking car? A. The cost to fix a smoking car varies depending on the underlying issue. Simple repairs, such as fixing a coolant leak, may be less expensive than addressing more complex engine problems. A smoking car is a clear indication that something is wrong and immediate action is necessary. Identifying the color of the smoke and taking prompt steps, such as pulling over and seeking professional assistance, can prevent further damage and ensure your safety on the road. Ignoring the issue can lead to further damage and compromise your safety on the road. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania, we are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.